Thanks for clicking this video, and here is Tech. So before you can get cheap calls on your phone, okay, you need to switch to MTN, because it is MTN that is giving you the opportunity to make cheap calls or at low cost. Okay, so before you do that, just get yourself an MTN SIM card. So let's start. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. And those who came here through TikTok, thank you guys for coming here. Like, I really salute you all guys. And we've crossed 100,000 followers on TikTok. So if you have come to this YouTube channel, subscribe, because this is our YouTube channel for the other side of the TikTok. So let me show you how you can just do this, and let's start from here. Let's go. Also, I'll be uploading videos on free browsing. Okay, so just subscribe so that you can get the free browsing stuff where you can watch videos even if you have zero data on your phone. Okay, so as always, I will have the screen here so that you can see whatever that I do on the screen. Okay, so first you're going to dial this code, dial *135#. Okay, *135#, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to call the code. Okay, so when you call the code, you have this on the screen as you see here. Okay, so don't forget to like the video for us. So when you come here, just select one to activate. Okay, activate it, and when you activate it, the more you make calls, okay, on your SIM card, they will give you a discount. So with a discount, it will help you save some cash or money on the calls that you make. Don't forget to subscribe. Also have the group link below, tap on it, and then also join the group for WhatsApp. Okay, so that you can get more stuff too right there on WhatsApp. Okay, so see you there. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye for now.